Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you on how to log in to Gmail using different methods. Follow these steps to access your Gmail account. If you have the Gmail app installed, you can log in directly using your Google account. Here's how. Download and open the Gmail app on your Android device from the Google Play Store. Tap the Sign In button at the bottom of your screen. If you want to add another account, tap your profile icon in the top right corner and then select Add Another Account. Alternatively, you can access Gmail using the Gmail web interface. Open your preferred web browser on your Android device and visit the Gmail website by going to mail.google.com. Once you're on the Gmail website, sign in with your Google account credentials to access your Gmail account through the web interface. By following these steps, you can easily log into Gmail either through the Gmail app on your mobile device or the Gmail web interface on your computer. Whether you prefer using the Gmail app or the web interface, logging into Gmail allows you to check your emails, manage your inbox, and stay connected with important messages. We hope this guide helps you in logging into Gmail effectively. Thank you for watching.